Good morning, girls. Today we are going to see Central Bank or Reserve Bank of India functions. This question is often asked in the 6-mark question, and 2019 also they asked, 20 also they asked. So the most important question, very easy only. So each country has a central bank. Central bank is the apex institution of India, any country's monetary system. India's central bank is Reserve Bank of India. RBI, that is the Reserve Bank, Central Bank, came into existence in the year 1935. After independence, the RBI was nationalized by the government on 1st January 1949 and they renamed the Central Bank of India. So this is the background of RBI. What are the very important functions of RBI? First one is issue of currency. You know very well what is issue of currency. Central Bank or monetary RBI is the monetary authority. It has only monopoly power of printing, issuing currency notes. RBI in India prints all the denomination of currencies notes except 1 rupee note. The 1 rupee notes coins were issued by Finance Ministry, the Government of India. I think recently this also has gone back to RBI only. I am not very sure about this 1 rupee. I will find out and let you know. Second one is Bankers Bank. The central bank's other is Bankers Bank. It controls all the commercial banks and other financial institutions. In times of need, the central bank provides assistance to commercial banks. That is why central bank is called Bankers Bank. So the third is bankers to the government. Central bank is the banker to the government. It performs all the banking business of the government. Central bank accepts money, makes payments on behalf of the government as it is agent. It also advises government on monetary matters. How we are normally approaching the banks for the any other to pay our electricity bill, our pay LIC, everything, no, like that, no. The government bank is on the RBI to collect their taxes, to get the loan from other countries or from IMF, like that, no. All bankers to the government, and controls the money supply. Very important function of central bank it is act as a controller of money supply. Central bank controls the total size of money supply and credit. It maintains economic stability by changing bank rate, cash reserve ratio, etc. So controls money supply. First one is issue of currency notes, Bankers Bank, bankers to the government, controller of money supply. Next one is custodian of foreign exchange. Central bank is the custodian of foreign exchange reserves of the nation, gold reserves of the nation, also kept by the central bank. Already I told printing the currency notes, we need the minimum reserve system we are following. Certain percentage of foreign exchange, certain percentage of gold has to be kept before printing the currency notes. All this has been used as a custodian, RBI is the custodian. Next one is lender of the last resort. What is the lender of last resort? When commercial banks face financial crisis, RBI plays a crucial role. Commercial bank approach the RBI for assistance as a last resort. When RBI extends helping hand to commercial banks in times of financial difficulties, this may be called as lender of last resort. Very simple, only they given, they are not explained the so thing, only the 6 points, the 6 to 7 points. This is the important function of RBI or central bank. This question is often asked. Hope you understood. So what is the first one? Issue of currency notes, Bankers Bank, banker to the government, control of money supply, custodian of foreign exchange, lender of last resort. Thank you.